They're coming in to light. There's already a jillion of them on the ground. More of them are fixing to light over there.
I don't think they're eating. I think they're just resting.
Could be.
I didn't see a single head going down, under the ground. They're just sitting there with their heads up. So amazing.
That's just a small portion of the ones. There's a bunch more across the road that we were looking at a while ago.